Hello, I am motorist and I wanted to show you this little 50mm lever padlock, show you that it works. It is has a Trelock logo here. It looks almost new, but if I turn it over I can see it was made in Western Germany, so probably during the Cold War period. There's another nice marking here. It says Betriebseigentum, which means company property. Well, I don't know which company, but it now belongs to me, so I guess I'm the company. And I'd like to show you the key. As you can see, there's a very deep cut here at the beginning, and then some more cuts which suggest a lot of levers in there. Well, as I showed you, it works. I'll try to pick it. I use this tiny little tension tool made out of an old key, and if I insert it, you can simply rotate it. So you'd think this tensioner is too small, but it's not. If I pull it out a little bit, I find the bolt, the talon, and I'm using this thin wire to pick. And I really need a small tensioner for this, because otherwise I put too much tension on the bolt, and it binds the levers very tightly, and they hardly move if there's too much tension here. But as you can see, with a little tension, it opens easily. It actually has only 3 levers in there, and I guess this first deep cut, accommodates for the plate that the bolt sits on. That plate actually acts like a ward. So that's what I wanted to show you. These are the tools that I used for this 50mm 3-lever Trelock. Thanks for watching.